What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben Windsor TV2 and today I've got another unboxing for you. So after the huge success that was my last video, I am back again and I have got another unboxing for you today. So what we're unboxing today is the Liam Gallagher Spezials Adidas, also known as Spzl. And these are actually a really limited shoe, so I was lucky to get these. But yeah, funny enough, they were actually really easy to cop as long as you just woke up early enough on a Friday morning at like 8 AM. And at the time I was really worried that I was copping them and they were going to have no resale value because I wasn't going to really wear these myself. You'll see why in a minute, but let's see what they look like and get them unboxed. So firstly, they've arrived from a store called the Hip Store. Very trendy, very fresh. Today, to open the box, we have got a screwdriver. Now this is your bog standard sort of screwdriver. They're not really known for their cutting abilities, screwdriver, but we're going to put those myths to rest now. Straight away, sticker off. Now can I just say, yeah, the customer service at the Hip Store was good because I made myself out like a moron, messaging them saying, oh, can you cancel the order? And then when I saw the prices going up, I was messaging them again saying, sorry, don't cancel the order. So yeah, I made myself out to be a bit of a dick, but in the end, they were great customer service. I'd highly recommend the Hip Store. Won't put those details on there, but yeah, really good. Even say thank you there, and they're safely packaged up there. And let's see what we've got here. So we have the Adidas Spezials. They're in a size 8, UK 8 that is. And the colourway is cream white, blah 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 blah, originals. And one thing I actually really like about these is the thing the Liam Gallagher bit on the box. So where it says endorsed by Liam Gallagher and Spzl we trust, and it's got a nice little logo there. And that's actually a really clean, cool box. It looks fresh. So yeah, anyway, I'll keep it in focus on the camera there, and let's have our first look at these. So straight away again, I'm loving the Liam Gallagher paper on there. I think that's a really nice touch. Oh, and the trainers themselves. Liam Gallagher was right in saying that they are smart.
That is f***ing smart though, isn't it, man?
They come attached with this little tag there, brown tag. But they are a really clean, smart pair of trainers. They're actually just really toned down, which is actually a rarity in trainers these days. A lot of trainers are toned up. They come with a spare pair of laces there, and some tags there, but they're clean. Nice suede material with the nice little detailing here on the underside. A very sort of light shoe. And by the feel of them, I'm not a size 8, so I'm not going to be able to actually try these on, but they look comfortable. This is a bit flimsy, which with all Adidas trainers like that it is. But again, it's just clean, it's cut back, and it's sort of like a creamy beige. It is effectively cream, yeah. The colourway is cream there. I'll grab the other shoe out of the box as well. Boy off the ting, there's the other one. And yeah, you know what? They're nice shoes. I ain't gonna lie, they're nice shoes. They're pretty chill. They're clean, they're just clean. Now, would I pay the £300 or so that they're currently reselling for? No. But if I had the money and I was a big Liam Gallagher fan and I'm paying £100 to see him at Wembley anyway, then yeah, I probably would pay the resale price on it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you these ones today. I have got way more unboxings on the way, and that includes 2 pairs of Jordan Obsidians that I copped. And I'm copying new trainers all the time as well. So as and when I get them, get lucky in raffles and whatnot, I'll try and post some content on here, but in the meantime, thanks again for watching, guys. Peace out. I will see you later. It's been your fucking boy.
What's up? It's your boy Bo. I'm cutting this one raw. Entree, let's get it. I be spitting, I say whatever, ever. Man stack cheddar, imperial leather. Go getter, I ran away with my thoughts. I would be looking cray, I think it's time to agree. You know it's me, your boy, B-A double to the T. Piping down a bitch, you know she getting the D. I stay fresh, Coca-Cola, vanilla. Drop the planet's grinder and I'm smoking Manila. Loud shout out to Skylight, it's another winner. I be wildin' out, stocks be rising now, I'm watching the count. Different paradigms, boy, it's like we're in a simulation. All the things I do, just for this bacon. La-di-da on your bitch, then thank her for being taken. I'ma be chillin', smoking cheese and eating cake and Deliveroo. Fuck you. I be ordering bare munch, I need a discount from you. I don't take no shit, you know I ain't no bitch. I still go in on the gym, just now it's a London thing. I came from the south coast, and now I'm living in north. These connections hold me down, shout out Eastbourne of course. Biffers, I back you.